Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to see top albums on Spotify. To see your top albums on Spotify, follow these easy steps. Open the Google Chrome app on your device. Tap on the search box at the top of the screen. Then type in Billboard 200 Best Selling Music Album. Then press the search icon or hit enter to start searching. Scroll down through the search results. Look for the official Billboard 200 albums page. Tap on the Billboard 200 link once you find it. Wait for the page to load and it will redirect you to Spotify and check for the top music from the albums list. Tap on any song you like to listen to. View the week's top 50 most popular albums directly in the Spotify app. Now, you can easily check the best-selling albums on Spotify. Take note, Spotify does not have a built-in feature to view top albums, so using third-party tools like Google Chrome for Spotify is the best alternative. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.